divided into 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Electrical signal from sinoatrial node then cause the atrial to contract, forcing blood into ventricle. The electrical signal is then picked up by the atrioventricular node and directed to the Purkinje fiber. Impulses from the AV node are conducted by specialized muscle fibers called bundle of His. Cardiac cycle. There are 3 phases in cardiac cycle. Let us see the first phase. The atrial and ventricular muscles relax. Blood from vena cava and pulmonary veins flow into the atria and ventricles in 0.4 seconds. Second phase. The atria contract and the ventricular muscle are in relaxed condition. The remaining blood is forced out of the atrium into the ventricle in 0.1 seconds. The third phase, which is the last phase, the ventricles contract and blood is pumped into the aorta and the pulmonary arteries in 0.3 seconds. The atrial muscles are relaxed and the atria fill up with blood. This is the normal electrocardiogram. The pressure changes that occurs in the left side of the heart during the cardiac cycle is similar on the right side, although pressure are lower. Heart sounds are caused by closure of the valves. The first sound, "lup," is caused by the closure of the cuspid, or we call it atrioventricular valves. The second sound, "dup," is caused by the closure of the semilunar valves.
Next, we are going to learn about the intrinsic control of the heartbeat. Intrinsic control of the heartbeat means the heart control that originates within the heart. The cardiac cycle in the heart is myogenic, contracts and relaxes automatically and does not depend on stimulation by nerves. The initial stimulus originates from the sinoatrial node, SAN, often called pacemaker. The picture below shows the locations of the SA node in the heart. The membranes of the cell of SA node are permeable to the sodium ions. Sodium ions enter into the cells and the cell membranes are depolarized. An excitatory wave of depolarization is generated, which spreads rapidly from the SA node across 2 atria, causing them to contract simultaneously. A slowdown occurs as the depolarizations of the atrioventricular node, which is AV node, is delayed for about 0.1 second. This allows the atria to complete their contraction and empty the blood into the ventricles. Impulses from the AV node are conducted by the specialized muscle fibers called bundle of His in the ventricular septum towards the heart apex. Impulses are then conducted by the Purkinje fibers throughout the ventricular walls. This causes the contractions of the both ventricles, forcing blood into the pulmonary arteries and the aorta.
The beating of a healthy heart is regulated by electrical impulses. The sequence begins as the atria fill with deoxygenated blood from the body on the right and oxygenated blood from the lungs on the left. An electrical signal from the sinoatrial node then causes the atria to contract, forcing blood into the ventricles. The electrical signal is then picked up by the atrioventricular node and directed into the Purkinje fibers in the ventricle walls, causing the ventricles to contract. And the blood is then pumped through the pulmonary valve on the right to the lungs and the aortic valve on the left to the rest of the body.
Pulse. Ventricular systole contraction forces blood into the aorta and artery which are already filled with blood. This increase in pressure causes the expansion of arterial wall. The artery wall then recoils and forces the blood to flow in a series of waves. Each wave is called a pulse or pulse wave and is produced after every ventricular systole. The number of pulses per minute therefore corresponds to the number of heartbeats per minute. The pulse can be felt particularly where the artery is near the skin surface. It is usually taken above the wrist. Artificial pacemaker. A patient may be fitted with an artificial pacemaker when the SA node or the conducting tissue is damaged by disease or aging. Artificial pacemaker can be fit to regulate the heartbeat with small tiny electrodes. The pacemaker produces electrical stimulus conducted by wires to the right atrium and right ventricle to control the cardiac cycle. The small artificial pacemaker is usually implanted under the skin in the upper chest.